Queen Tausert was the last queen of the 19th dynasty, and she was famous for the powerful queen, and she was recorded in the Manitou record as Thoris, and she is the wife of King Seti II. She ruled Egypt for 7 years, including 2 years alone, and her royal name was Set Ra Mary Amun, which means daughter of Ra, beloved of Amun. King Setnakht is considered the founder of the 20th dynasty, and he is the father of Ramesses III. He ruled for a short period, believed to be 2 or 3 years. During his rule, he succeeded in restoring order, calm, and security in general to the country, and he established many architectural facilities in many regions of Egypt. The cemetery is considered one of the largest tombs in the Valley of the Kings in Luxor, where the length of the cemetery is about 159 meters. It is a common tomb bearing the number KV14, and it originally belonged to Queen Tausert, and then King Setnakht came and increased its area and reused it, as the tomb consists of 2 burial chambers, showing the surviving Tausert inscriptions, in various colors, are in good condition. Inscriptions representing the ritual of opening the mouth appear on the statue of the queen, and a depiction of Tausert during the desalination of a group of deities, despite the attempt to obliterate the features of Queen Tausert from the walls of the tomb and make the inscriptions fit King Setnakht. Then after that, the royal name of Setnakht was removed from the walls of the tomb and replaced with the name King Seti II, replaced him during the following decades. There are inscriptions on the walls of the front room expressing the Book of the Dead, and inscriptions of the journey of the sun during sunset, as well as inscriptions from the stages of the Book of Gates and the Book of Hell. We also find the ceiling of the first room of Queen Tausert, inscribed with stars and some important celestial constellations of the ancient Egyptians, while the second room is adorned with inscriptions from the Book of Gates, and the ceiling of the room is also decorated with astronomical inscriptions. In it, the sarcophagus of King Setnakht was found smashed, but the mummy was found in the cache of mummies that were placed in the tomb of King Amenhotep II.